Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. How to get charcoal in Palworld. So to get the charcoal you need furnace. This is the charcoal that I have already produced. I will collect it. So this is furnace. It will require wood, 2 wood to produce 1 charcoal. So I have got plenty of wood at my base. I have assigned a pal on this logging site to produce wood. It is producing wood, right? And then wood is being stored here in the chest. So I've got the wood in the base, and now we can craft charcoal. So this will need kindling. You will need to assign a pal that can use kindling on furnace. Do that. I'll get a pal from here. But the kindling was already done by any other pal. Let's produce charcoal in large amount. So this is how you can generate charcoal by using wood and furnace in Palworld. Okay, if you found this guide useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.